hot water is life. Anyway, today I'm going to make a cake because Tuesday is Ichi's birthday, but we decided to celebrate one day earlier because most of our friends couldn't make it on Tuesday, so Monday is like the only time they are free. For me, it's never really a problem when I make food for 20 or 30 people. It's never really a problem. But to make a cake is like quite complicated for me. I don't know why. I just hate the whole process. This Tuesday gonna be at least about 22 to 25 people coming over, but I'm not too worried because my friend gonna come and help me out with the cake. Let's go. I'm still waiting for her. She's gonna be here around 11. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna enjoy my hot water and the view. So we already started and I forgot to record just now. And we actually already did first batch. And now we're going for the second batch. And yes, and Rumi doesn't want to be in the video, so so it's going to be just her hand and body.
Yes.
Time for topping, but we don't know if we have enough.
Creams.
What should we do? Okay.
Oh,
Huh?
don't worry.
Isn't it like still like this area? Not really. You know what I mean?
Yes, it's not so.
It's not. How do you say it? Chihuahua.
So you want to be like, you want to make like this side, right? This one is pretty sharp.
Yeah. And finally, I'm done decorating the cake. Oh my god! Finally! I don't know, does it look good or not? Alright, I hope you're going to like it. Now I'm going to sleep. See you guys tomorrow.
Alright, party day. It's my birthday. Everybody has to wear animal print, and that is what's happening. A-chan is making something. Animal print. A cake that I have not seen is in there. I was not allowed in this area yesterday.
Can you put this in
Can I
front,
put
please?
this where?
In front to sun.
It's my birthday. Why do I have to do this? Of course, we have the live band. Party mode. We got party mode. ¿Qué animal? Zebra, of course.
Zebra.
Hey, party mode. Carol, what animal is that? You can't see.
Chẹp chẹp khám phải.
Okay, ready? Come on! Yeah, 30 days like you! Psychoです。美味しい。美味しい。
So epic ね。
Thank you, everybody. Okay. 多分船こうだったら
ねえ。